Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Wang's English class. It is fantastic to see all of you today. Look at the right board behind me. I have written a very funny sentence. It says, I will present you with a present. I want you to look closely to that word present. Who is brave enough to read this sentence out loud for this class? Yes, Sarah, go ahead. Thank you, Sarah. Now, class, I have a question for you. Listen carefully with your ears. Did Sarah pronounce the word present exactly the same way both times? Listen to me read. I will present you with a present. No, they sound different. Today, we're going to learn a super important trick for English pronunciation. In English, many two simple words change their entire meaning based on where you put the stress. Here is the magic rule. Noun gets stressed on first syllable, and verb gets stressed on the second syllable. Let's look at the 5 common vocabulary pairs on the board. Present, record, object, desert, and subject. Let's start with our first word. I'm going to use my hand to show you the stress. I will clap loudly exactly when I hit the stressed syllable. Okay, watch me. When it is noun, meaning a gift, the stress on the first syllable. Present. Okay, present. I got a birthday present. But when it is verb, meaning to give or to show, the stress shifts to the second syllable. Present. Okay, present. I will present my project. Let's try it together. Okay, clap your hands with me. Now, present. Present. Okay, verb present. Example word number 2. Record. As a noun, a written document, first syllable, record. Okay, listen to the record. As a verb to capture audio, second syllable, record. Record. I will record a song. Say it with me. Now, record. Verb, record. Okay. Verb number 3, object. As a noun, a same first syllable, object. Object. What is the object? Okay, as a verb, to disagree. Second syllable, object. Object. I object to that idea. Okay, try it. Object. Object. Okay, beautiful. Word number 4, desert. As a noun, a whole dry place with sand, first syllable, desert. Okay, right after me, desert. Great. So, camels live in the desert. As a verb to leave or abandon someone, second syllable, desert. 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 Okay. Please do not desert me. Okay, repeat. Desert. Desert. Great job. Word number 5, subject. As a noun, a topic like math or science. First syllable, subject. Subject. English is my favorite subject. As a verb to force someone to experience something. Second syllable, subject. Subject. Do not subject me to that nose. Try it. Subject. Subject. Okay, fantastic. Now it's time for we do. Pair up with the person sitting next to you. I'm handing out practice worksheet with 10 sentences. Each sentence has a blank space. I am going to read these sentences aloud. I want you to listen very carefully to my pronunciation. When you hear the words, circle on your pair whether you think I said a noun or a verb, and then write the word in the blank. Let's do the first one together. Listen to me. I decided to record the meeting. Did you hear it? Record? The stress was on the second syllable, so is it a noun or a verb? Yes, a verb. Circle verb and written record. Let's do some repetition to get this locked in your brains. Look at the board. I'm going to point the words. We're going to say them together as a class, and we're going to clap loudly on your stressed syllable. Okay, now, present, present, verb, present, present, noun, record, record. Okay, verb, record, record. Wow, your pronunciation is so clear. So now we move to the you do stage. It's time for independent practice. Working in your peers. Look at the short tongue twister dialogue I put on your desks. It mixes our noun and verb pairs. It says like I object. Yes, I object to that object on the table. I wanted to practice reading the dialogue to each other. Listen closely to your partner. You must act like a teacher. Okay, if your partner puts the stress on the wrong syllable, you have to help correct them. Go ahead and practice for our final assessment today. You are going to use technology. I want you to take out your smartphones or tables and open your voice memo app or class platforms like Seesaw or Flip. You're going to record yourself clearly, record 5 specific sentences from the board. You must pay carefully attention to make the noun and verb stress the area obvious in your recording. When you finish, submit the audio file to me. I will review the record after class using a rubric to grade how accurately you placed the word stress. Remember the magic rule: stress the first syllable for noun and the second syllable for verb. Let's get recording. So, everybody, that's our class today. Thank you.